Here are things I like about Canggu, and you might too.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we...
Number one, the vibe. Over here in Canggu, the vibe is incredible. Apart when you don't have rice field views and villas and loud motorbikes, but the vibe. It's so vibey with all these beautiful rice fields, with the decent. I'm saying decent because Canggu is not one of the best beaches you can go to in Bali. I think you can click over here is the video of things I hate about Canggu. You can go watch that video, and it's just so vibey here. The environment is nice, nice breezes, nice wind. You can't hear the wind noise because I get a dead cat finally. After a long time complaining about the wind noise, finally a boy got a dead cat. Dead cat is like this windshield thing that goes in your mic, makes less wind noise. Yeah, so the vibe is really nice here. We have decent trees, like over there we have a lot of trees. But you know, if your place is infested with villas, then I don't know. It's not such a vibe, but still, Canggu's a vibe. Number two, the people. The people here are very nice. They're incredibly nice, very welcoming here in Canggu, especially if you're new and you've never been to Canggu before. The people are really nice, informative, and if you need help with anything, they would help you with that. Looks like it's not that crowded yet, but it'll start to get crowded very soon. I'm trying to still find an effective way to bring this drone. I'm still bringing it in a case, so I think I should have an effective way to bring it, like put it in my backpack or something. It's only the mini one, so I'm guessing that it would fit, but I need to kind of rearrange the bag better. So number three, I can't believe this is on my list, but accessibility, like getting to places is really easy. I don't know how this is on my list, but it's pretty easy to get to places. Like, even though this beach is not one of the best beaches you can go to in Bali, nonetheless, it's a beach. You get the beautiful sunset, well, not yet, but the beautiful sunset, you know, nice breezes, and if you're a surfer, it's a good surfing too. That would be the next point. Yeah, getting to places really easy. You can get to Umalas really easily, around Denpasar pretty easily. Actually, going around Canggu is the hardest because the traffic is horrible, and if you haven't seen the Canggu Sucks video already, you just click over here somewhere again, because I just told you guys earlier. But yeah, it's definitely easy to access places here. I didn't think this would be on my list, but yeah, the accessibility here is pretty easy. And that brings us to the next point, the surf. The surf in Canggu is incredible. If you live in Canggu, you probably already know the surf here is really nice, easy to get to. There's multiple spots that you can go to when you're a beginner, expert, or even just intermediate. It's really good here. Like right here, I'm at Sandbar, and right in front of me is called River's Mouth, and then towards that side is Barawa. And yeah, just look around in Google, which is the best spot for beginners, expert, or even intermediate, depending on your skill. Yeah, so right now the surf isn't that great, but yeah, usually it's really good. So that's another point. Number 4 or 5, I don't remember anymore at this point, but food and beverages, pretty easy to access here. Price range is low budget, high budget, or like somewhere in the middle. But mostly it's like high and medium budget in Canggu, because like it do be like that. And this is not plastic, by the way, it's paper, so don't be canceling me like that. Anyway, yeah, so love Canggu, just like vibing, drinking some Coke, and like, yeah, so if you want to get food, beverages, and any of those stuff, it's like medium, either medium, high budget, or like low budget. It's really mixed of prices here, so don't be worried about the budget here. It's pretty budget friendly. I don't know about the accommodation though, that's kind of different story, but for sure I'll make a video about that soon. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my Coke now. Okay, I finally got off my butt and started walking towards the other side of the beach. This is super annoying. It's just like swinging here. I need to find a better and more effective way to carry the drone. It's not mine. It's not mine. Thanks so much to James for lending me his drone. I'll link him down below. Go check James a follow. He's a legend, dude. Yeah, this is incredible. It's quite crowded actually. Medium crowd. I feel like lumpia. I'll show you guys what lumpia is in a second. It's kind of like mixed stuff with sauce. So let's go get lumpia now. Lumpia has been spotted, so time to get myself some lumpia. It's gonna be lit.
Campur ya?
Yeah, campur. Isi tempe itu?
Nggak pakai tempe?
Boleh.
Pakai kecap?
Boleh. Kasih tunggu sebentar. So basically lumpia is like some of these mixed fried stuff. There's like tofu, I don't know what's like, kind of like a spring roll, and tofu and tempeh. I don't know what's tempeh in English, but yeah, it's amazing with top some sauce. Ini saus kacang ya? Saus kacang with peanut sauce. It's so good. And basically she just leaves with one hand on the basket and the whole thing on her head the whole way. Incredible. Okay, I finally got some responses from my Instagram story saying what are their favorite things about Canggu, or the things that they like about Canggu. Let's start with Lewis. The beach clubs. Well, yeah, the beach clubs are nice in Canggu. And this is from Emily. I like how diverse Canggu is and how Canggu is a very special place for me to live. And from Shay, there's nice places to eat. I've mentioned those. Yes, that's true. From Ranu, he has everything, and everything that is cool is in Canggu. I don't know what you mean by that, but I'm not 100% sure about that. And this is from Explore with Zach. Ton of good cafes and Mexican food. Great for digital nomad scene. Yes, that's so true, guys. The digital nomad scene here is incredible. There's a lot of co-working spaces, and you can make really easily, not really easily, depend on how good at making friends you are, but you can make digital nomad friends here because you would be together in a co-working space instead of working home alone, you know. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I love Canggu. This is my home and forever will be. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hope these things you also like, and let me know in the comments if I missed out on anything. If you have your own favorite on things that you like, let me know in the comments. Make sure you chuck a like rating down below. Give Chuck me a sub. Road to 1,000 subscribers. And thanks for watching, guys. Peace. I